If you want to unlink your SoundCloud account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into SoundCloud. Open your web browser or app and log into your SoundCloud account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon or menu, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Social Accounts. In the Settings menu, look for a section labeled Social Accounts or Connections. Click on this option to view your linked accounts. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook option in the list of connected accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After unlinking, you may receive a confirmation prompt. Follow the instructions to confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account from SoundCloud. Now your SoundCloud account is no longer connected to Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to SoundCloud support.